Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is so special. This is the special video I've ever made. And if you've been following my beadwork and DIYs and also my lifestyle journey, you know I love creating beautiful things. But today I'm sharing something even more beautiful and personal. I have a baby, just turned 1 year old, and today I'm baking his first birthday cake. This is the first time I'm sharing the part of my life with you guys, and I'm so happy to finally let you know. Motherhood has been such a quiet and powerful journey. I chose to keep it private, but I'm ready to share the joy with you. Let's bake a simple vanilla cake with love. I'm using what I have in the house, nothing too fancy, just homemade goodness. He's already trying to grab things. Let's start mixing our vanilla cake. First of all, we're going to start with eggs. I'm going to use this electric mixer to whisk the eggs before adding anything. Now add your oil. If you need the exact measurements that I used on this cake, please leave me a comment below so that I'll do a video and show you how the mixing was done, the appropriate measurements. Add in your milk, your fresh milk. Mix it with your mixer. Add in vanilla flavor, vanilla essence, because we are making a vanilla cake. Add in your baking flour or your baking soda. Don't ever skip this part for cake baking. Note that we are adding baking powder to the flour, and also you're adding a pinch of salt and sugar there. After mixing everything, the liquid ingredients together, now add in your flour. The flour I already mixed with baking powder. Now go in with your electric mixer and mix everything well. I don't have a large baking pan, so I'm going to use these cooking pots. Because I don't have butter, I'm just going to use this blue band to oil my cooking pan, or let me say my baking pan now. After oiling, again you're going to take your baking flour and dust it so that when you're cooking your cake, it doesn't stick on the pan. Yeah, now it's well dusted. That's my pan now, and it's ready to be used. Make sure you also preheat your oven, just adjusting the temperature, and also make sure the heat is covering up and down. He's been my little helper today, even though he's doing more tasting than helping. I've done so many things in my life, but nothing as rewarding as being this little boy's mom. want to say thank you for being part of this, sharing this part of my life with you guys. It has not been easy, and finally I've let myself. It may not be perfect, but it's made with love, and that's what matters most. Because I wanted a tall cake, I did several cakes, not just one. So these are the two, and another one is still in the oven. Also, some queen cakes were made, blue and red for our theme color. I can't believe our year has gone by. Happy birthday, my sweet boy. You've changed my world in the best way. Now let's get into the party. Now it was that time to help the boy cut the cake, and the friends were here, the nieces and the nephew. Yeah, so let's party. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy This is the result. I used a fondant to make the cars and also to cover the cake. The cream also I made for the queen cakes. Thank you for being part of this special day. I'm excited to share more of this journey, a journey as a mom, a creator, and a woman trying to balance it all. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, leave a message, a birthday message, and also don't forget to subscribe. For me and my son, thank you, and see you in the next video. Happy birthday.